What is up, you guys? Not Hoff here. Today I will be showing you how to import overlays to Streamlabs. If you're looking to change how your stream looks or just want to upgrade your stream overall quality, changing overlays is a great way to start. The overlays I'm using today are from owned.tv, but any overlay file works. Let's get right into it. Starting out, what you're going to want to do is click the cogwheel in the bottom left, go up to Scene Collections, and then click on the Import Overlay File. Your file explorer should open up. Next, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and find your overlay files. The type of the file should be an overlay. Next, all you need to do is double click the overlay file. Once you do that, your overlay file should open and your scenes should be on Streamlabs ready to edit and get ready for your next stream. If you guys like this tutorial, please leave a comment below stating what I should do a tutorial on next. Leave a like for the video and consider dropping a subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.